Yeah, so I bought an Autel X-star Premium Drone. All right, let me hear it. Let's laugh. I actually bought this thing. My issues with it right now is there's no batteries for it. You look everywhere online, there's no batteries for it. Okay, my main reason for buying this was I wanted something cheap, something that's not gonna crash on me. I mean, I didn't mind if they crash on me. I do mind, of course, but I didn't want to crash my Inspire 2s or even my Mavic 3s. Okay, so I didn't want to crash, so I ended up buying this thing, thinking like, okay, I'm gonna use this to teach people how to fly drones and things like that. Because some people around me, they want to know how to fly these things, so they're afraid to, before they buy one, they want to get an idea for it. So anyway, I ended up buying this. I got a good deal on it on eBay. The guy bought it from, he was selling it with 2 batteries. Hopefully I can find them. He sold it with 2 batteries, and the batteries came, they were dead. They were straight up dead. So, which was fine, because I knew that was gonna happen. I know that the batteries was dead already. So when the drone came, I started looking for batteries. I started looking online for batteries, and lo and behold, I couldn't find no batteries. There's one guy selling batteries from. There's one guy he's selling batteries, and he wanted $179 for the batteries. I didn't want to buy it because I thought that that's way too expensive for this particular drone, because I think they're kind of old. So I didn't want to spend that kind of money for it. Turns out the reason is he was selling his batteries for that price because there's no other batteries available. He's the only one that had a battery for it. I guess I should have took it, and I didn't. So now I don't have any batteries for it. When I went on eBay, I went back on eBay. I went to Adorama. I went to B&H. There's no batteries. Okay, as you can see, this thing is roughly new. I even have what do you call it? The cards here for it. It's brand new. The props are brand new. I never even do anything with it. And what my confusion is, this thing's only 4 or 5 years old, and the company does not provide any type of service for it. It got discontinued, provide no type of service for it. You can't even get batteries on their website for this. If you want an Autel drone, you got to buy the new models, which is crazy, because if this was a DJI drone, be it a Phantom 1, Phantom 2, Phantom 3, or 4, you can get parts for this. I had an S900 3 years ago, it crashed. They were able to repair it for me and get it going again. Okay, Inspire 1, I was able to get parts, batteries for it. I had to fix one, batteries, parts. There was no problem with this. And these companies it's a Chinese company, but this one here, this is an American company, which is right here in America. You can't get parts for this. You can't get batteries. So if I crash this, it's goodbye Irene, because man, there's no parts for it. You can't get anything for it. Okay, and then you look at this is an impressive little drone. It's pretty nice. I'm looking at it like, wow, look at the remote. The remote is nicely built. Okay, nicely made. Nice hand grip on it. Okay, I think you can even turn this thing on. And it's really nice. It's just unfortunate it can't be used. I thought I turned it on. There you go. Weird sound though, ain't gonna lie. You see it? Makes this weird sound. Let me turn this thing off because they won't connect. Yeah, anyhow, so that's my issue with this thing now. Okay, and I look on YouTube. I was looking on YouTube to see what's the problem. How come people don't have batteries for this drone? It turns out they always had issues with the batteries. Okay, they always had issues with the batteries. I see guys on YouTube showing you how to repair the batteries for this thing here. One guy had his goggles on. He had this crazy setup with the voltmeters and all that. He was trying to revive the batteries like Dr. Frankenstein. I just got to say one thing. These are LiPo batteries. You do not want to be messing with that stuff, because they'll burn you down. They'll burn your house down. They'll potentially blow up on you. You got to be careful with this, because I've heard of LiPo batteries will burn people's house down. I don't know how true that is, but I just know you have to be careful with LiPo batteries. They're very sensitive to how you maintain them, so got to be careful with those. So do me a favor, leave a comment. Okay, you can leave a comment on this video here. Leave a like if you like the video. Leave a like if you don't like the video. Leave 2 likes. I can't imagine you don't like this video unless you're from this company here. Okay, so This is all I gotta say. Is all right. Peace out.